Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce to you how to use the keyboard of AC600. Part 1 is an introduction to the keyboard's features. Part 2 is a video demonstration of how to use the AC600 keyboard. 1. AC600 Keyboard Function Introduction. AC600 series default digital 2 keypad, optional LCD keypad, applicable to different sites. Compared with the 310 series keypad, the display content is richer. On the picture we can see that the keyboard consists of 5 parts A, B, C, D, E. Part A can be displayed by setting the F01.19 parameter. If AC600 communicates with VEICHI soft, set F01.19 to 2 and display the Modbus communication address, which is the value of F12.01. Part B operating status display, including faults, forward and reverse operation status, etc. Fault indicator. Constantly on for fault and flashes for alarm. Operation indicator. Constantly on or flashes when an operation command is active. Stop indicator. Constantly on during stop. FWD indicator. Constantly on during forward operation. Rev indicator. Constantly on during reverse operation. Parameter status indicator. Constantly on when parameters are read-only. Parameter initialization indicator. Constantly on when parameters cannot be initialized. Part C. AM indicates that the driven motor is in asynchronous motor control mode. PM indicates that the driven motor is in synchronous motor control mode. SRM indicates that the driven motor is in reluctance motor control mode. S indicates that the current control mode is speed control. T indicates that the current control mode is torque control. When F11.02 is set to a non-zero value, it means that the multifunction key is valid and the corresponding function can be executed by pressing Fn. LC constantly on. Local control, via keypad. REM constantly on, remote control, via terminals. REM flashing, remote control, via communication. LOC flashing, keypad communication error. Part B. Unit indicator. You can see that there are unit symbols for power, time, temperature, RPM, frequency, percentage, etc. No unit lights if not among the 9 units listed. PRG key, short press is to return or enter the F group of parameters. Long press is to enter the monitoring C parameter group. FN multifunction keys. Short press to activate. Left and right keys to switch the monitor display of the upper and lower rows or to shift left and right when changing parameters. Green key for run. Short press to activate. Red key for stop, short press to activate. Digital potentiometer knob. Press to confirm. Rotate clockwise to increase value, and rotate counterclockwise to decrease value. Forward operation. Operation indicator is constantly on. FWD indicator light is on. Reverse operation. Operation indicator is constantly on, and REV indicator is on. Jagging. Operation indicator flashes, 1 second interval. Stopped. No fault. Stop indicator is constantly on. Stopped. Fault. Fault indicator is constantly on. Stopped. Warning. Fault indicator flashes, 1 second interval. Forward operation. Warning. Operation indicator is constantly on, FWD indicator is on, and fault indicator flashes, 1 second interval. Reverse operation. Warning. Operation indicator is constantly on, rev indicator is on, and fault indicator flashes, 1 second interval. Next is a video demonstration of how the keyboard works. From the keypad, you can see that the slave address is 1. AM indicates asynchronous motor control. The inverter is now in the stop state, the stop indicator is always on. S indicates speed control mode. FN multifunction key is active. LOC indicates keypad control start-stop. Long press PRG to enter the C parameter group, short press to return. Short press to enter the F parameter group. Short press to return. Now run the inverter. The operation indicator is always on. FWD indicator light is always on. Press the left button for a quick view of the first line of monitoring parameters. The output frequency is 50 Hz and the output current is 0 amps. The bus voltage is 438.1 volts. Switch to the given frequency. Similarly, press the right button to quickly view the monitoring parameters in the second line. Use the digital potentiometer to change the frequency. Left to shift left, right to shift right. After changing the frequency, press to confirm. Press stop to stop the machine. Copy inverter parameters via keypad, F00.04 equals 1100. Parameter copy in progress. Parameter copy complete. Upload the already copied parameters to the inverter via the keypad F00.04 equals 2200. Parameter uploading is in progress. Parameter uploading is complete. The above is the keyboard usage guide for AC600. Thank you all for watching.